Are you looking for the best air compressor for home garage? I have compiled a list of top 5 best air compressors for home garage this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. California Air Tools 15 Gal 2 HP Portable Air Compressor. When it comes to the best overall choice for an air compressor for your home garage that is not only affordable and powerful, but also reliable and compact, it's hard to beat the California Air Tools 15 Gal 2 HP Portable Air Compressor. This is a great option for those who don't want something too big, but still want enough power to run almost any consumer-grade or light commercial pneumatic tools. It works on your 110-volt household power outlets and comes equipped with an ultra-quiet, maintenance-free, oil-free pump that operates at only 70 decibels. It has a 15-gallon horizontal tank and is capable of 130 psi of maximum pressure. It has 5.3 CFM at 90 psi and 6.4 CFM at 40 psi. This contractor-grade compressor is a single-stage compressor that has a durable powder coat finish that's sure to last a long time. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, which isn't the best in the industry, but we'll take it. One drawback is that this air compressor might be a little overpowered depending on your needs. Number 2. Bostitch Air Compressor Combo Kit. For a compact, rugged air compressor and starter kit that won't break the bank, you've got to check out the Bostitch Air Compressor 3-Tool Combo Kit. This makes a perfect gift or addition for the finish worker or carpenter in your household. It's a 6-gallon, single-stage pancake air compressor that comes equipped with an 18-gauge, 2-inch brad nailer, a 16-gauge, 2.5-inch straight finish nailer, and a heavy-duty 3/8-inch crown stapler. The best part is that it's all offered at a bargain price tag. We also really like the fact that this compressor weighs in at only 42 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight compressors on our list. You can easily take this compressor anywhere. And it's compact and can easily be stored in a cabinet or on a shelf when not in use. It has an oil-free, maintenance-free pump and dual couplers that lets you operate 2 tools simultaneously. One thing we don't love is that it's quite noisy for its size. Also, this compressor might be undersized for larger jobs, like framing or spray painting. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand SS3F2 GM Garage Mate 2 horsepower 30-gallon hot dog compressor. For the ideal combination of portability and power, take a look at the Ingersoll Rand SS3F2 GM Garage Mate 2 horsepower 30-gallon hot dog compressor. This is a heavy-duty, single-stage, oil-lubed compressor that will be well-suited for almost any DIYer or professional user. It has a whopping 30-gallon tank that allows for 100% continuous duty use. With a maximum PSI of 135 and an airflow rate of 5.7 CFM at 90 PSI, you can easily power most tools and equipment for as long as you need. It has a surprisingly quiet 80 decibel noise level while functioning, considering its size. This unit is equipped with a rugged handle and tough, semi-pneumatic tires for maneuvering, which is good, since this beast of a compressor weighs in at 185 pounds. This is definitely the least portable compressor on our list. It's also the bulkiest and one of the priciest. Number 4. 10-gallon oil-free vertical air compressor. We appreciate the WEN 10-gallon oil-free vertical air compressor for being an affordable, but impressively powerful and space-saving air compressor that is a pleasant surprise to many users. This is a 10-gallon vertical tank compressor that can fit in a lot of spaces that other horizontal tanks can't. It's equipped with a 15-amp motor that offers a maximum PSI of 150. It boasts airflow rates of 4.0 CFM at 90 psi and 5.0 CFM at 40 psi, which is not as strong as some other models on our list, but still plenty strong enough to power a plethora of pneumatic tools. The oil-free pump is easy to maintain and has a long lifespan. This unit also comes equipped with rugged 7-inch never-flat wheels and an ergonomic handle for easy steering of its 71 pounds. There is some concern about the long-term durability of the base of the unit and the tank itself. However, this air compressor comes backed by a solid 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. It also has a relatively noisy operation compared to some other models and a slower recovery time. Number 5. Craftsman 20 Gal Air Compressor. The Craftsman 20-gallon air compressor deserves a shout-out for being a rugged and versatile compressor that's offered at a decent price point. It features a 20-gallon tank, which allows for long tool run times. It has a large 175 psi maximum tank pressure, and a solid airflow rate of 4.0 CFM at 90 psi and 5.0 CFM at 40 psi, which allows you to easily power most light commercial tools in your home garage. As with most other air compressors on our list, this model features a single-stage, oil-free pump that offers a long life cycle and no maintenance. We really appreciate that this unit comes with a dual coupling system, so you have the versatility of being able to run two tools at the same time. This unit weighs in at 90 pounds, which is less portable than some, but still maneuverable with oversized wheels and a sturdy, ergonomic handle. It comes backed by a 1-year limited warranty. This unit does lose marks for being one of the louder functioning options on our list.